Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. In this video I'm going to do a very special experiment or demonstration with liquid nitrogen where I'm going to levitate a magnet above a superconductor that is cooled with liquid nitrogen. If you haven't seen my other liquid nitrogen demos, you can go see them here. Otherwise, stay tuned because this is really cool. So initially I have a superconductor and a magnet, and you can see when the superconductor is not cooled, it's just at room temperature, nothing really interesting happens. Now that I use liquid nitrogen to cool the superconductor past its critical temperature, you can see the magnet levitating above the superconductor. This is because the magnetic fields, which were before passing right through the superconductor, are now pushed away, similar to magnets with the same pole facing each other, which allow the magnet to float or levitate. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed that. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. And please subscribe so you don't miss more cool experiments and tutorial videos.